Hey, what's up, y'all? Glenn Wilkins with Power Express Maintenance out of North Carolina. Service the DMV area, North Carolina, all of that. Anyways, this is here a video just showing off this new setup. Just upgraded from a 5 gallon per minute cold water to this Landa 8 gallon per minute pgdc hot water unit, man. It's freaking beautiful. Tank up there, like, brought this whole truck as a package. Freaking, it's already set up, got the extra guns in there, freaking dump valve hose, like it's legit ready to go. Already cleaned a few stores with this thing, man. It's definitely already serving its purpose and serving it well. Freaking only thing left to do for this truck, change the logos around, update the tires, new paint job. Really probably just some touch up on it, to be honest with y'all. Apollo, that's Apollo right there, a little big puppy. But anyways though, hey, give me some feedback, tell me what y'all think about the setup. Looking to have an aluminum skid built up here for the whole unit, you know, just to clean it up, make it look a little fresh, and then something a little more stable than these wood, even though the wood is pretty stable. But I mean, you know. Either way, y'all have a great day. Yeah, Power Express Maintenance, baby.